Alright guys, so in previous video we learned how to go and open an account and how to prepare it for selling. Now it is time for us to create a gig. But before we do that, it is wise to do a little bit of competition research, and since I'm going to create something which is design related, I'm going to do a design related competition research. So this is how we do it. Here we have these two tabs that we can scroll, and these are the places where usually content creation and graphics design are usually posted. So here it would be the best bet to search for graphics design. Let's see on this particular idea that I got in my mind. I have intentionally typed Instagram carousel, which is a type of post which have multiple pictures or videos that are being posted for a certain niche. So this is good for people who are leading explanatory Instagram account that they can base on storytelling through pictures. And this is how Fiverr ranks people. So I'm going to change this by few filters. So we'll need to do a research based on best selling and on the new sellers, because we are going to be a new seller and we need to have appropriate pricing in order to get best chances on striking a sale. So what we're going to do now is going to sort them here on the filters on the right to best selling. Now all of these are best selling here that Fiverr presents us in the front page. So I'm going to open a few of them to see what are these people actually doing. Then what I'm going to do is that I'm going in seller details and go to new seller, hit apply and see. Here also the second one that I clicked was also a new seller, and he is also ranking into top sellers because he is selling high quality content for different niche. If we scroll down here, we'll see that all of these people have at least some review, but most of them have just a few sales or something like that, so we won't bother with them. We can just scroll through them to get some ideas on their gigs. I'm going to open these few people to see how they structure their title and the description of their gig in order to create best gig for ourselves. Okay, this is a seller that I first opened. Down below we see description of the gig. So in the first sentence he offers a promo, which is a great way to get people to buy by offering them more value for less money. So he offers $5 off. Then he offers some interesting information about the service he sells, and then here is what any buyer is going to get. And then in the last paragraph he has written an important notification. Now we're going to see another one, which in my opinion has a better thumbnail and has better style and everything else, and I kind of wonder why this doesn't have more sales. Okay, probably the first one has better marketing, but later on that. So let's go and check the new sellers to see how they are writing their description and how they are forming their price. Introduction, what you get, and some other info. Okay, so here on the right we see 5 modern post, 3 images slides for Instagram, 6 images and 10 images. So based on this we are going to create something of our own. Okay, so that would be it in the competition research, and actual gig creation I'm going to explain in the next video, so stay tuned.